Today, we are going to be writing the formula for the ionic compound sodium hydride. So let's see where these elements are located on the periodic table, and then we'll take it from there. So I'm going to go for sodium first. I'm going to scan the periodic table to see where sodium is. And sodium is right here, right? Sodium is represented by a Na. So I have sodium, and it's in group 1. Remember, all group 1 elements are metals except for hydrogen, and they have that charge of being a +1. So I'm going to write that I have sodium, Na, and that I have a +1 charge. Now let's work on this hydride. I see that it's an IDE ending, so chances are it's going to be a nonmetal on the periodic table. So let's search for it. I'm looking for something that starts with hydro, right? And that's hydrogen. Hydrogen always turns into hydride if it's being named as a nonmetal. And in this case, remember, hydrogen is H. But now here's the problem, guys, right? In ionic compounds, one has to be positive and the other one has to be negative. So here's the trick. If hydrogen is being matched up with the metal, it will not follow the trend that's in group 1, which is a +1. It is able to gain an electron and not lose it. Therefore, when I write my hydrogen, it will be a -1. So just know that hydrogen can exist as a -1 charge, but only when it's only bound with a metal. All other cases, it's going to be the +1, okay? But you can't have two pluses in an ionic compound. One has to be positive and one has to be negative. Now, since we have the two components and the two charges, we do this little trick where we crisscross the charges to just say how many of each I need. So this +1 will crisscross down, telling me that I need 1 hydrogen. And then this -1 crisscrosses down, telling me that I need 1 of the sodium. And I'll write this in red to just show you the difference, right? When you do this crisscross, don't worry about the positives and the negatives. Just focus on these numbers. And when you do the crisscrossing, you don't have to write the positive and the negative. Just write the number. So I'm ready. I have sodium, and I have only 1 of them, so I don't have to write a 1. And then for the hydrogen, I also have 1 of them, so I don't have to write the 1. So I'm done. So sodium hydride is just NaH. Thank you so much for viewing the video. I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. It just gets the word out there, in the YouTube land that this service exists, and I thank you so much for that. Let's keep working hard, and I'll see you in all future lessons. Bye-bye.